Message.
I know that's right. You're never ever wrong.
I'm gonna take my makeup off on camera. I already took my eyelashes off because y'all know eyelashes irritate the hell out of me. I just be wearing them for pictures. I can't go too long with the eyelashes, but yeah, I got my makeup wipes and I'm gonna take my makeup off on camera. Period. I left these wipes open so they damn near dry as fuck. Makeup still coming off though. Now they can say I got some makeup on. Oh shit. From Sacramento. Sir, you don't see me on the screen? Forget you too, man. They all dry. I had told myself to goddamn put the goddamn thing back on it before I went to sleep, but no, I must have forgot. Hey, sir.
You was not 21, bruh.
I sure ain't.
So how old is you?
20.
20?
Where you from? Why was that funny?
I'm from LA. It's just the way like your whole like little body language.
I'm finna be 21.
Really?
That part.
So,
What is that tattoo on your forehead?
It's a Glock.
What made you want to get that?
Cause I'm a killer.
Oh, hell no. Deuce. He was gonna start laughing. Cause I'm a killer. Let me start talking to your ass, bitch. That was my cue to leave. Sir. Is that Lil Uzi Vert? That boy got a who's shicey mask on and a do-rag. Goddamn, who the hell you got it from? Y'all cannot open these damn wipes. Eric from Detroit. He sound ghetto.
Damn, what's up?
Damn, Eric. What the hell wrong with you?
It's every time. That's what's wrong with me.
I don't talk to people that don't pay their light bill.
Shit, I'm like working. Every time.
Turn it on.
Hold on, give me a second. Let me get up real quick. Hey, ask me more time. I'm gonna turn it on.
You finna scare me.
I'm dead ass serious. I'm my mama.
You don't need that much damn time to turn that light on.
You said what?
I said you don't need that much time to turn that light on.
You think somebody playing this shit? Talking about my lights, man? Fuck you talking about? I ain't no bump.
Turn the shit. Why the shit ain't on yet?
Dad, I'm in the bed. That's why my light ain't on. I need my light on.
Shit, they look like it worked. What you do? Go outside to turn the box back on?
Yeah, that's some shit your mama do, you broke bitch. Fuck.
Who the hell you? Okay, Eric. All right then, Eric. That's how you coming, Eric? Hey, sir.
How are you doing, man?
Oh, I thought that was a Trump hat. I was gonna say.
I'm no old man.
What'd that say, Playboy?
Yeah.
You like Playgirls?
You a white girl?
Hell no. I know a few. Da 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 da. I got one eyebrow on. Hey, sir. Oh, I thought that was a piece of cheese on your head. Why are you whispering? Sir.
What the hell is you doing?
My fault. Yeah.
Your earrings dangle? Oh, I thought you had some dangly earrings in with some pearls and shit.
No, they ain't that big.
Was that English? What the fuck is Bentonville?
Fucking holy moly, dude.
What the hell wrong with you?
Son, see, ad time, son.
I'm not your son.
See, look, son, you finna make me crash out. Cause you, what are you doing?
Mind my business.
What the
What are you doing?
say, Dick? What's your problem?
What the hell are you talking about?
Son, I'm finna hit, son.
You finna hit what?
I really need to hit you over the head with a broken remote, son. You acting slow as a dick. You acting slow as fuck.
Who are you
You
talking
just wanna
to?
get hit in the head with a fucking laundry box.
Who are you talking to?
What the fuck?
Is this nigga a voice recording? Like, what the fuck? It's Jake. Oh, that says Jack. I can't read it. Oh, what the fuck is that? I thought that was a ball sack. Mania. I'm just trying to get the rest of this shit. Afro Circus. What bitch you know take their makeup off on camera? Hey, sir. Damn, you rude. I'm trying to make sure there ain't no damn female, but I see little peaks of hair on that chin. It is. Quez from Rex. He sound good. I was gonna say, you nasty as hell.
It's just hair.
Yeah, I see that now. But that ain't funny. You knew what you was doing, sir. Nasty ass. Don't be dangling shit in my camera. So I hate doing my eyebrows because it takes fucking, it takes the hairs out my goddamn eyebrow. I know that's why bitches' eyebrows be all the time. Because they fill their eyebrows in every day. And then me scrubbing that shit off. Next. Hey, ma'am.
Where you from? Where you at?
Afghanistan.
You at what?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Yeah.
That's something.
What is that next to your mouth?
Huh?
What is that? What you got on your head?
A mic.
What you doing? Roblox?
You got a mic on.
You playing Roblox?
The Roblox? But we can play Roblox though.
I don't play Roblox. I play Sims.
How you gonna ask me I play Roblox? You don't play Roblox.
You just look like you play Roblox.
I do play Roblox. How I look like I play?
Oh, I should have skipped his ass. Hey, sir. Oh, you hanging up because I'm black? I already knew the deal.
Oh, hello there.
Hello there. Why he hang up? It's that same nigga.
Hey, you really thought I was a killer though?
You just said you was.
And you believe me?
Yep.
You think a killer would be like on the app like this?
Yep. You never know what the fuck a killer would do.
On and on, just like an ex. Bitch, I pissed off. You better watch how you put your ass.
Who you talking to?
I guess you know.
What?
I guess you know.
When you gonna clean your nails?
You said what?
You said what? I love you, baby. That's why my uncle hung off. I love you, baby. No black girls.
Excuse me, bitch.
Okay. You racist bitch. Nasty bitch. Hairy bitch. You get no pussy ass nigga. This how big you is right here. That's why you get no bitches. Go cry to your mama. Boy, who the hell you think you is? Looking like that, putting your name as no black girls. Bitch, boy. I'm gonna bitch you up, boy. I'm forever bitching niggas up. Bitch niggas like that. I respect real niggas.
Period.
I see you shaking that thing. You finna hang up because I'm black too?
I like that shit black.
The dude before me said no black girls and he hung up. You look a little too old, Mr. Brother. Eat money.
Hey, how you doing?
What you smoking?
Obama K.
Obama pay.
Obama K. Obama Kush.
Oh, I was gonna say, what the fuck? I ain't never heard that one. Obama K. Putting the K after somebody's name ain't no. You feel me? This man CJ.
Yo.
Yo.
What's good? Where you from?
Africa. What's that jersey on your wall?
What'd you say?
What's that jersey on your wall?
That's mine. Wanna wear it?
Hell no. No, thank you. I'll be stroking. Hey, sir. You don't hear me talking to you, sir? Looking like you belong at a house party, boy. I'm not wear their hair like that no more. Hey, sir.
What'd you say?
I said, hey, sir.
Oh, damn, don't gotta catch an attitude with me.
You don't gotta be deaf.
I wasn't with you. I was trying
The fuck?
What? Hey, yo, get back. Call. That's a man, bro.
Excuse me, bitch!
Your mama, man.
Yeah.
You need to change your little fire thing.
You need to eat a dick and die.
Yeah, I'm gonna do too.
What?
Your mama do too. You heard me. Stupid boy. Candyman. I'm scared of Candyman. Y'all see me in that vlog. I don't play with no Candyman. I was terrified. That was my first time ever watching a scary movie. Y'all do not watch scary movies at all. And they forced me to go watch Candyman. And Candyman wasn't even, you feel me? I took my ass to sleep. Whenever it's a scary part or something I don't want to see, I take my ass right to sleep in that movie theater. Wake me up when it's over.
What's up, girl? How you doing? Like that. Do the black girl thing when they do like, yeah, girl. Yeah, exactly. That's hot, bitch. Damn.
You thought you ate that? I'm pretty sure all races act like that. I don't know why the fuck they be acting like only black girls do that shit. Nerd ass bitch.
This a YouTuber. This the YouTuber I used to be watching.
You used to be watching? Damn.
I ain't been on YouTube, but I play the game all day.
Damn.
But I was
Like that though? Like that, y'all. Like that, y'all. I haven't been on YouTube either because ain't nobody posting. I don't want to watch that bullshit people posting. It's like hella TikTokers on YouTube now. Am I tripping or what? Everybody got them EDD checks. My hood niggas and bitches. Hey, sir.
How are you doing, ma'am?
Are you rich?
A little bit.
I'm looking for a rich nigga. What's your number? Oh, I hate the word turkey. And you showing, ew, why the fuck does his wee-wee look like an amputated arm? You're nasty. Get the fuck out of here.
Yo, what is it, cuz?
Who are you talking to?
Okay, you stop.
I ain't your cuz.
You said what?
I'm not your cuz nor your blood.
I ain't even seen that. Why you coming off like that?
The fuck? No. Didn't he just say what's up, cuz? Nigga, I ain't your cuz nor your motherfucking blood. Don't dress me like that.
Damn!
Why are you screaming, sir?
I'm not screaming, just close to the phone, baby.
No, you sound loud as hell. Like you